I'm so tired of being here, suppressed by all my childish fears. If you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave, 'cause your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cry, I wipe away all of your tears. When you scream, I find away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still have all of me. You used to captivate me by your resonating light. Now I'm bound by the life you left behind. Your face, it haunts my most pleasant dreams. Your voice, it chased away all the sanity in me. These wounds won't seem to heal, no. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I wipe away all of your tears. When you screamed, I fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still have all of me. I tried so hard to tell myself that you're gone, but though you're still with me, I've been alone all along. When you cried, I wipe away all of your tears. When you screamed,